Hey everyone, what's going on? Guess what? We just got word. Google Voice on the iPhone now. It has taken so long for Google Voice to get onto the App Store, and one of the main reasons is whether Apple wants to deny it or not. Guys, here's the secret, okay? It's a money game. Google has applied for Google Voice to be on the App Store about a year and a half ago or a year ago, and they were rejected, and nobody knows why. FCC has looked into it. Apple denied any claims. AT&T denied claims. All Apple said was something about that it infiltrated or interfered with the brand name, and that's why they didn't put it on, which really is not enough to reject. I mean, this is really disappointing from Apple. This is not, the way we should do business. They really need to come to terms, because when you start doing this kind of stuff, when you reject, good applications for your for your own, customer base, that shows that you don't care about the customer as much as you claim you do. Now, if Google Voice was on there, people would start making free calls, and they know that damn well. All right, people are gonna start using it. They're not gonna use their minutes, so AT&T would be out of luck. Cell phone service would be out of luck, because people would not be using that, so they'd be using their web. And they know that at that time, everybody had unlimited web. So all these phone calls would be technically for free. So now suddenly, all the carriers, except a few of them, I think Sprint and T-Mobile, you can still get unlimited web. But most of them, now it's on they actually limit your data. Coincidentally, now since the web costs money, like basically you're paying for all the data you use, it's not unlimited, suddenly the Google Voice is now approved in the store, because now you can use it in an unlimited fashion. Google Voice, now you can go to the App Store and download Google Voice for free. For those who don't know what Google Voice is, probably you should know what it is. I mean, if you don't know what it is by now, where have you been? But Google Voice is pretty much like Skype. Skype, what it is, it just allows you, it gives you a free phone number, and you can give that phone number out to people. When those people call you on that number, you can you can forward the call to any phone number. But then the great thing is, it allows you to control and customize and personalize everything within Google Voice on the web. So you can go to Google Voice and you can reject certain calls. You can use multiple voicemail messages. You can turn off and on notifications. Pretty much it's everything. You can control it right in your Google Voice inbox. It's awesome. It's like one of the coolest things. I mean, I think this really could save Google in terms of like the social aspect. I mean, if they put some more work into this, since Facebook Messages was just released, and they're where you can receive messages and text messages together. With Google Voice, you get everything, and it goes to the web as well. So it goes to the phone number, then it goes to your phone, and it also goes to the web. And one of the amazing features is that actually it can transcribe the voicemails you received, and when you play it, it'll go word for word. So it'll actually first of all transcribe the message to text. It'll save an audio file, and if you press play, you can listen to it, and you'll see word for word the cursor moving along as the audio plays, as the message plays. Awesome. I use it with my students, have them contact me through there. They can send me text messages. You can actually tell Google Voice to send you a text. You can tell them to send you an email when you get a phone call and the greatest thing is you can do that in general with all numbers that come in. You can actually go into Google Voice on the web and specify certain numbers how to respond. So, those billers that you get, give them your Google Voice number. And whenever they start annoying the hell out of you, block the hell out of them. So, every time they call, they're going to get a rejection. Send them straight to voicemail. That's what you got to do. Google Voice, great. You see here, you can load it up. You can text, you can call, you can do everything on it. You have all your contacts. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you have free calling. And then you have some great fees on international calling. Awesome feature. This is really exciting for us to have the ability to use voice on our terms on any phone. Now, if you do have an Android phone, it comes with Google Voice.